You know why I love Pride Month? Because it's the month that celebrates my bottom son and my lesbian daughter. You know, for many years they didn't come out to me, but they found community, love, hope, acceptance through Pride Month. You know, as parents, we can't always be there for them. That's why representation matters. Seeing yourself through others saves lives. You know, for me, Pride Month is every day. You know, that's why I make a lot of Pride content. Because even online, I can be an ally. I can be also a mom, a parent, to all the LGBTQ plus people. Especially to those who do not have the support of their family at home. Even if you don't know us, we can be your chosen family. You know, Pride Month is not a special treatment. Pride Month wasn't always a celebration. It was born out of hate and oppression. It was a fight to be accepted and to be equal. I celebrate Pride because I love love. I celebrate Pride because I love my children. I celebrate Pride because I am a human with empathy. Happy Pride, everyone! May the bottom find the tops and the tops find the bottom.